Bit of pressure on this one. First attempt at water meter repair with Kinko nut and olive. Woo. I'd get to the side of it and use both hands. I know, yeah. Hey? Nah, pipe's too far out of shape then. Well, you take it off and cut it again. You sure it's not on? It looks on. You got to do it up before you let go of it. Huh? You do it up before you let go of it. The nut. Use the shifter. If you think once you got it done up a bit, try and turn the valve off and then do it up the rest of the way, but keep pressure down on the valve. Not on properly, eh?
No, I'm probably not.
Alright. Well,
so this is trying to loosen it and then push it down quick.
Yeah.
No, probably not. Stuff.
You reckon you could hold it and tap it with a hammer? Like hold the bottom of it and then tap it down with a hammer. I'll grab you a hammer. Just taps, you don't want to wreck the valve.
Let me tap it.
Right. Here. Tap the top of the handle there. See if you can hold it from the bottom. Feel it go down?
No, it's still loose.
We'll tighten the nut up until it's tight. Because you're on there, it's not leaking. It's only loose because it's not done up tight enough. Maybe. Or it's not on properly. It's hard to tell when you're not doing it. Just have a go. If it doesn't work, it blows off when we cut the pipe and do it again. You're gonna have to get it done up tight, but yeah, keep tightening it.
It's moving.
Then lift your hand up, see if it's going to blow off. No. Alright, put a shifter on the valve and do up the nut so you're holding it straight. Good work, mate. Done well.